In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a test call in Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer and make sure you are signed in with your account. Give the app a moment to fully load so your profile and settings are available. If Teams asks for permission to use your microphone or camera, allow it. Without those permissions, the test call won't be able to check your devices. Next, access settings from the drop-down menu on your profile icon. This menu is usually in the top right corner of the Teams window. Clicking Settings opens a window where you can configure all of your device choices and preferences. In the Settings window, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Devices. This opens the place where Teams lists your current microphone, speaker, and camera selections along with volume sliders and test options. Take a quick moment to glance at the selected devices so you have an idea of what Teams is currently using. Under the Audio Settings section, you'll find a button labeled Make a Test Call. Click that button to begin. Teams will initiate an automated test sequence that walks you through recording a short message. The process is simple and guided, so just follow the on-screen prompts and speak clearly when prompted to record. When the automated prompts ask you to record, say a short sentence into your microphone. The system will then play the recording back to you. Listen carefully for clarity, volume level, any background noise, or audio distortion. The playback helps you check both microphone input and speaker output in one quick test. After the test completes, review the results shown in the Devices section. If the recording sounded muffled, too quiet, or too loud, use the drop-down menus in the Devices area to select a different microphone or speaker. You can also adjust volume sliders or change the camera selection there if needed. If changes don't take effect immediately, try restarting Teams or your computer to ensure the new device settings are applied. A couple of quick tips. Use wired headphones if possible to reduce echo and close background apps that might be using the microphone. If you still experience problems, check your operating system's sound settings to confirm the correct device is enabled and has permission. That's it. A fast way to confirm your audio and camera are working in Microsoft Teams, so you can join meetings with